Louisian. Congratulations, Louisian. Yeah. Ang dami mga Louisians dun, guys. Ayan. Doon kami galing. Tapos, doon kami nag-dinner. We ate dinner to celebrate our graduation. And, you know what? Buti pala, we got there like ahead of time. So right now, may pila na sa labas. People are lining up outside. There's a queue there. Ayan, oh. Eh, because, syempre, special kasi doon. Dahil doon sa mga kumakantang, yung mga kumakantang nagpe-play ng instruments. Diba? Dahil with a smile talaga yung last song. Ayan si Broker. TikTok ang ako nag-live yun. Mas maraming viewers dito eh. And, ang maganda kasi dito kay Black App. Nasa-save kasi yung live mo. So, pwede mo siyang i-content. Hindi ka tulad dun kay Red App na nawawala yung live ko.
Can you please
Stop walking in front of
So yun, guys. So we are just here at the mall. We just finished dinner because kakatapos lang ng graduation ceremony. And isa na akong master. Charot. It took me 10 years na nag-work sa abroad, then pagbalik binalikan yung masters. Actually hindi ako nag-resume sa pag-aaral. Syempre work muna. Another 5 years na naman. So 15 years na natenga yung master's degree na yon, 'di ba? So finally. But you know what? 15 years ago in a private university in the city, when I first took my master's degree, kompre na lang ang kulang. Kompre na lang ang kulang.
Oh no!
Eh, sakto naman kasi na may call na sa Dubai. So, nilayasan ko yung master's degree ko para sa isang opportunity abroad to teach.
Wow!
Na hindi ko naman pinagsisihan. Of course, no regrets. Because sa abroad, ang dami naming mga natutunan. Maraming aral. Charot. Maraming lessons. And we had to learn our lesson the hard way.
Oh
Yeah.
no!
Like the full masamang magmura. That's straight lang, ha? Little story, backstory of how I am so happy right now celebrating finally after 15 years my graduation sa master's degree. Like, yeah, it might be a small thing, small win, small achievement. But for me, it is something because tayon sa, alam mo yon, sa frustration because wait lang, nasa loob na ako ng sakyan, maingay ang radyo ni Broker. Ayan, so as I was saying, the backstory of this graduation thing for my master's degree is, those who follow me know that I've worked abroad as a teacher in the UAE for 10 years. Before I went to UAE, I was working here in the Philippines in a private school, in a high school. Yeah, and I've been working for 5 years at that time. And before I reached 5 years in that university, the administrators rather of that school asked me to go for master's degree. I was about to finish my master's degree at that time in another university. Hindi doon. Kasi yung master's in religious education was not offered in my school that time. So I had to go to another school and we had to request that other private university to open up this course just for us. And we were like 7 in the class. Then, natapos ko na yung 36 units actually. It was only the comprehensive exams na hindi natapos. But, supposedly summer siya itatake. Kasi nga, like, we had to wait for that second semester's grades. That was in 2009. Yes. Well, I'm going abroad anyway. Yeah, I'm going abroad anyway. And master's degree or license in teaching here in the Philippines does not even count abroad. So it's okay. And so I left the country.
Bye-bye!
And I started teaching there abroad. And I enjoyed teaching there.
Wow.
And hindi ko namalayan, I spent 10 years of my life there teaching.
Wow!
And then after 10 years, like 2018, 19, we came home for good. Doon ko lang na-realize na wait, I wanna go back to that university where I first took my master's degree. And so I did. I went there. Only to find out na after so long years,
Nakita niyo?
isang dekada, hindi na pala pwede, hindi na pala counted yung degree mo. So, ang nangyari, magre-refresher ka ng course or o pwede namang kumuha ka na lang ng bagong kurso kasi hindi na siya counted. Like, they will carry around 4 subjects, then the rest, back to wala talaga siya. So, sabi ko, and then, I checked, they already abolished that course, yung religious education. So, sabi, pipili na lang na naman. I had to choose another course for Master of Arts. Another major. And so, sabi ko, no way.
Oh my God!
So, I went back to the school where I used to work. And I asked them, nag-check kami, ganito, ganyan. Tapos, after verification, yun din, ganun pa din. 4 lang na subjects. But, the good news is, they have that certain course or that certain major na kinuha ko din doon, nadagdagan pa.
Yes!
Hindi lang siya religious education. It's already a subject na tinuturo sa Pilipinas as values education. So, Christian faith, education, values education, and philosophy.
Wow!
So, nadagdagan siya. Yung major niya. Hani ko. And so, yun na. Tinuloy ko. So, tapos 2022 noon, nung nag-decide ako to continue my master's degree. And 2024, tinamad ako last year. Parang nawala naman ako ng gana. Sabi ko, at saka at that time kasi, kaya ako hindi naman nawalan ng gana totally. Nag-stop talaga ako kasi si husband yung nag-aral. Nag-take kasi siya ng BSREM sa real estate management. So, and then, board exam degree siya. So, sabi ko, ako muna ang mag-sacrifice. Mag-stop muna ako. Hindi ko na lang sinabi sa kanya, I had to sacrifice and all this. Mahal yung kurso niya. Sumabay pa ako, 2 pa yung college namin, plus yung 2 keynotes namin nasa private pa that time, wala na, sabog ang finances. And so, silently, sabi ko na lang sa sarili ko, ako na lang, he finished, tapos na siya, and he took his board exams this year. Then, thank God, he passed. And just yesterday, he took his off. And now he's a licensed broker, real estate broker. Thank you so much for the hearts. Yeah, but I'm so happy. We are celebrating. It's a double celebration actually that my husband has graduated, and hindi lang yon, flying colors, Latin awardee, he's a cum laude. Yeah, he's a cum laude in bachelor's of science in real estate management, and he passed the board exams. And yesterday he got his license, PRC license. So he's now a licensed real estate broker. Eh yun nga lang, alam mo na, first week of school, alam mo na sa DepEd, hindi pwede umabsent basta-basta. So, hindi ko siya sinamahan sa oath niya. But then it's okay. Kasi nakuha na niya yun ng video. And, you know, at the same time, ito. Kaya nga nung nag-post ako ng parehong graduation kinemerot, gano'n. Maraming nagsasabi nga na, wow, grabe, gano'n, yung 2 kayo talaga, may gano'ng It's not that big, okay, na big achievement. But it's a milestone. And for both of us, especially at 40s, I've been telling you, no, hindi kasi namin ito na-achieve at a younger age, which we could have had. Right? But siguro God's timing really matters. And sabi ko nga, kasi si husband, ang view niya sa buhay is mas maganda sana kung after ng bachelor's degree, right away you take the master's degree para bata-bata ka pa. Pero when I was observing, kanina sa mass, naka-laureate mass, sabi ko iba din yung saya pag may edad ka, tapos naka-achieve ka ng ganito. Alam mo yun?
Wow!
Kasi ikaw na yan effort mo na yan. Kung sa bachelor's degree, effort ng magulang mo yun. Kasi sila ang nagpaaral sa'yo, sila ang gumastos sa'yo, alam mo yun. So sila yung parang sobrang saya pag nakatapos ka. Kasi hindi lang yung masaya sila para sa'yo, kundi masaya sila para sa sarili nila. Kasi finally, graduate na rin sila sa gastos. Diba? Whereas sa master's degree, ikaw na yan, effort mo na yan, at your own pace, at your own expense. So when you celebrate, ikaw din yan. Mas feel mo yung effort mo. Kasi dugot pawis mo na yan diba? Especially dito sa master's degree na to, may defense siya, may research siya. And madugo ang research. Hindi lang yung research yun, magastos pa. At the same time, yung compre, matindi ang compre. Alam nyo guys, yung 3 days ako na nag-compre kasi si husband, nag-review yan for the board exams. And months ang ginugol nila, yung kulong talaga sila. Nakakulong talaga sila. Nakalock talaga sila na review talaga na todo.
Oh my
And
God!
wal talaga celebration pagkatapos to. Kaya nag-rides kami para makapag-unwind. Pero sa akin naman, ang tama sa akin nung kompre, my God, at 40s yung brain cells mo. Di ba? Iba ang atake ng kompre. 3 araw ka nag-e-exam. Tigo 100 points bawat subject. 9 na subjects yun. Tapos puro essay. My God. Yung parang from foundations of education to advanced psychology to lahat na ng major subjects, philosophy and biblical studies and all that. Nawindang talaga ako ng bongga. And then, maganda sana kung nakakatulong yung AI. Sabi nga ni husband, kunting AI naman dyan, gano'n. Yes, pwede. Unfortunately though, pagdating sa religion, good luck sa'yo. Pag nag-AI ka talaga, yung iba-ibang mga views talaga binibigay niya. Imbes na makatulong, mawindang ka pati. Ma-confuse ka lalo. So, kailangan talaga mag-review ka talaga ng bongga. And then, napiga talaga yung utak ko. Kanina nag-uusap kami ng mga katabi ko. 3 lang pala kami, guys. Out of all the master's degree na nag-graduate ngayon, 3 lang kami na magkakaklase sa major na yun. Marami sa engineering, may MBA din, business administration, may mga psychology, may mga ganon. But doon ko lang na-realize na parang 2 department lang yata yun sa engineer. Ay, may accountancy din. May accountancy. Tapos sa mga medicine din na field, may nursing din pala. May master's degree din sa nursing. So yun lang guys, back story lang. That's why parang it's worth celebrating because it's a milestone not only for me but for of us. And alam mo, for me ang view ko naman sa family side naman, perspective, it is to inspire our children kasi they are 4. There's 4 of them. I want them to know na kung kami ni daddy nila nag-a-achieve ng ganito, dapat sila din, 'di ba? Na kung kami ni daddy nila nag-e-effort ng ganito, it's a challenge. Kasi kung kinaya namin sa edad namin, sila na bata-bata at fresh ang utak, mas kakayanin nila, 'di ba? Sa mga kabataan, challenge din sa inyo. Ha, especially sa mga estudyante ko. Kung may mga nanonood ngayon na estudyante ko at mga naging estudyante ko, sana kapulutan din ninyo ng konting inspirasyon si Ma'am Fatima na sana pagbutihin ng pag-aaral, iba pa din. Yes, maganda ang madiskarte sa buhay, pero palagi yung sinasabi sa mga lessons natin, hindi lang diskarte guys, diploma din para mas may laban ka. Okay? So yun lang, today is Friday, weekend tomorrow. Happy weekend everyone. Enjoy your weekend. Mag-rest na tayo kasi hindi na tayo gigising ng maaga bukas. So again, once again, and always, this is your teacher Timmy saying, you only live once. Make the most out of it.